Okay, this one's as simple as it is useful. And who hasn't been there with an extension cord that just won't stay attached? It's really frustrating. Okay, watch how simple this is. It works just like the button does on your blue jeans. And it won't come loose, and it won't get caught on corners because it's just a piece of rubber. And if you pull really hard, it will come undone. But it's easy to snap it back in place. The only thing you'll need to do this is an old piece of bike tube and a single little tiny piece of rubber hose to act as the button. The main idea here is to link one to the other like this. We pull one through the other and it makes a chain. Easier to illustrate with a rubber band. We just go like that. And then you're free to do it again to make the chain even longer. And now to link it around the cord, we just pull it through itself, like so. The rubber hose is around 5/8 of an inch inside diameter, but you could probably get away with using a piece of vinyl tubing as well. It won't be as flexible though. And a note about cutting the bands themselves. I'm making them a little bit thicker than I normally would to make them a little tougher to stretch. So by making them wider, you'll control how difficult they are to pull. Now this goes to the female end of our extension cord, and it's worth noting that since this is the more difficult one to make, you should just put one of these on your extension cord and then all of your power tools can have this easier chain. There's the old saying, necessity is the mother of invention, and no truer words have ever been spoken, because that is annoying. In comparison, you go through this much additional effort, and you are good to go. Wait, stop typing, a few seconds of your time, and I'll tell you why I don't just do this. Reason number 1. And reason number 2.